Sheriff Shelby.
You guys got the candy? Tell me when you're tossing. Anthony, you go first. Yeah. Over here. Whoa. Hi. Hi. Oh, she didn't go very far. I didn't toss. I gotta toss it farther than that. Okay, I'm gonna save till we get down. You guys, make sure you go easy with the candy. We got Anthony. Make sure you go easy, you guys, because we gotta last all the way down a mile. Okay? We gotta last a mile. Okay? Gotta last a mile. Okay? Don't make sure nobody gets run over. You get to go first.
Yeah.
You got the video going?
Yeah.
You can't blow no horns though.
I know.
What was it?
I don't know. Hey Clayton, it's a real life dream. There's a sheriff with his lights on behind me, and we're pulled over. He's walking up to the truck right now. No, I'm joking.
I know.
Yeah,
I know you are.
that is a scary thought, though.
I gotta make sure I don't hold Anthony, you still got candy?
Anthony,
Anthony, you still have candy? Yeah. Okay, throw some out.
throw some out.
Throw some out. Anthony, give me your bag. Give me your bag. I'm trying. I'm trying. Still got some left. Okay, we're gonna laugh. I'm trying. There we go.
We're all out.
We need about one more big bag.
We're all out of candy.
Where's Mom and Dad?
They're
They're coming. I'm almost done. I'm trying. I can't. I'm all out. I'm all out. Oh, we almost made it.
Almost.
You see Mom and Dad? One more bag with.
watch, ready? We're gonna bottom out.
Bottom out now?
Oh yeah.
I got one left.
Quickly, your dad will have this video.
Yeah.
That's all I got. Almost. We'll
Ready?
remember next time. Yep. Darn it. One more bag would have really.
Bottom out?
Yeah.
Oh, well, we almost made it.
Hey, do you remember to turn the side lights on?
Yeah.
Good job. See, I knew it at the end it would be tough, but one more bag would have been great.
I know.
Darn it. We'll know next
Next year.
next time. We're gonna have to get 2 more bags though. 'Cause at the end there's all the people.
I know.
I saved I did my experiment. But it's okay. Everybody was out at the end.